Hello, welcome to this video session of Microsoft Word and Academic Writing. This particular video session will touch on the topic adding books for citation in your Microsoft Word. If you are not using some of these reference softwares like EndNote or Citavi, you want to have a simpler software, Microsoft Word actually has such features to help you as well. So with this video session, you need to go to the Moodle, and right here you need to download two practice files. The practice files for referencing and the practice file for paragraph formatting. The practice file for referencing looks like this. It's just pages of different books with one of the very important page in every book about copyrights, where the book is being published, how many edition is this, so on and so forth. And it's very important for you to know that every book that you have has this page, so it helps you to program all this information into your Microsoft Word. So let's begin. Now, if you have your own book, you don't need to use this file. Just use the books you have with you. So the most important button for adding books into your Microsoft Word for referencing and in-text citation is this tab here called Supervisor. And in English it's called Reference tab. And you need to be concentrating yourself here under citation and literature list, I think. Here in this particular button, there is this format choice. I have this at the moment, Harvard, but you have a choice of APA, APA 6 as well. Unfortunately, they don't have the Oxford style. You have to go somewhere in Google and type some things, and there is somehow an add-on that you can download to add on to Microsoft Word to have Oxford style here as well. Unfortunately, I'm not very techy with Microsoft Word, as in programming things. I'm just a typical end user. So you can choose APA, you can choose Harvard. Okay. Now, so let's get on to adding books into your list. Here you need this button called Citation Entering. In German it's Zitat einfügen. When you click on this button, a window will open up, and you can see that there are things you need to insert. Now here it says website. Now if you are not using a website, Quellentyp type of source, there are many types of sources. Okay, now you can use a book. The language, usually I just leave it as standard, but you can choose German or English. I choose standard. So, and now we can add the author. So if I go here, Richard Pierce, as you know, in your reference list, you only need to type the last name in full and the first name with initials. So I just type Pierce, comma, R, full stop. Now, you notice there are two authors, Richard Pierce and Graham Shields. How do you add the second author? You can click on this button. As you see, his name is there already. Now I want to have the second one, Shields, G, and then you say add on. So now you have two. So when you have more, you add more, and then when you're done, okay, and then it's there automatically programmed for you. The title of the book, now because I have this book already on my list, I'm just gonna change the title. So here it says cite them right. For fun, I'm gonna say cite them wrong, so that I don't have a similar book on my list. Cite them wrong. The year, again. Sometimes some books have been published several times. You want to use the latest one. Yeah, if this is the 9th edition, it says 2013. So you do 2013 as well. Okay, 2013. The place, New York. The publisher, Palgrave Macmillan. Palgrave Macmillan. And the edition, I believe it's the 9th edition. Okay, once you're done, you click OK, and you say, oh, it's gone. Now you can add as many, and then here you will see all the books you have added. So you can see my cite them wrong right here. I've just added. And when you see the preview, it is how it looks like. That's how it looks like in the citation, and this is how it looks like in the reference list. Okay, so it's done. Now I have this here. I should delete this first. It's not very important. But this is how you add your books. All the books that you need, even the previous one that you have entered earlier, you don't have to really delete them. Yeah, because this is your master list. When you are writing a particular paper and you're only using, cite them wrong and probably just testing this book by Tanya Kim, for example, you can just ask Microsoft program to move this to the actual list that you want to use. Just copy, ta-da, it's there. Okay, and imagine I want a third book in the classroom. So when I'm happy that in this particular paper, I'm going to use these 3 books, I'll just close the window. And to know that it's there, go back to this button, and you can see only 3 books that's on the list. And these are the buttons that you need, yeah, to add into the in-text citation. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to add books for citation and referencing, or for your reference list. Watch out for my next video, and I will be showing you how to use these citations after you've added the books that you needed. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.